Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Hamster Kombat request error unable to authenticate. Now, before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So, if you are getting this error, all you have to do, if you are on your iPhone, go to the App Store, search for Telegram, and then update the app. If that doesn't work, if you are you have to go to your settings, then go to general settings, so setting general, iPhone storage, find Telegram from the drop down menu, and basically you want to click on offload app. Try again. If that doesn't work, come back, delete the app, reinstall it again from the App Store, and that should fix your problem. If you're on Android, go to the Google Play Store, click on the top to open up your profile, go to the app management, and then find Telegram, update it if needed. If there's no update, then reinstall it and install it again and try again. But before you do that, of course, backup everything on Telegram. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.